The LG B20 user here, and today I'll be giving you guys my thoughts and opinions on the ZTE Tempo Go. It's the first Android Oreo Go edition smartphone to be launched in the US. So this is what the phone looks like. I'm on phoneandwinning.com here, so this is what the phone looks like. In my opinion, it looks like the Tempo X that I recently unboxed here on my channel. So go check it out. I will leave a link to that in the description video, and I'll also leave it up in the card on the upper right hand corner of the screen, so check that out. Alright. This is your generic smartphone, nothing really special about it, but I do like the back of the phone a lot. I think it's really nice back to it. So you get your speaker, your earpiece, your front facing camera screen, there, your buttons for home, back, and recents. Yeah, nothing on the right side, nothing on the left side. Might be the, this is the right side. You got your text your power button, your right up and down buttons on the back, camera flash, ZTE logo, and speaker. And yeah, nice looking phone. ZTE unveiled 3 new smartphones at Mobile World Congress 2018: the Blade V9 and the V9 Vita, as well as the Tempo Go. You can see what the first two look like, what they have to offer in our recent story. So let's take an in-depth look at the third ZTE device unveiled this week, the Tempo Go. Says the ZTE Tempo Go is most likely the first Android Oreo Go edition handset to make its debut in the United States. According to ZTE, the smartphone will hit the shelves sometime in March for only $80, so it's going to be affordable. Given the low price, don't expect high end hardware configuration on a mid-range one. For that matter, the Tempo Go offers just enough to be able to run Android Oreo and a tad more. Hardware-wise, ZTE Tempo Go sports a 5-inch 480 by 854 pixel resolution and a 5-megapixel rear-facing camera. The smartphone is powered by a 1.1 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 210, 1 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of expandable storage. It's exactly what a budget-friendly smartphone would offer, but the ZTE Tempo Go, as many come with all the Go apps released by Google, including Maps, Gmail, YouTube, Assistant, and Gboard. Although the smartphone has already been listed on GTE's website, you can't purchase one yet. Some said shows out of stock. However, the Tempo Go should go on sale in March, so keep checking the store page if you want one. So this is gonna be the first Android Go smartphone to be launched in the United States, the Tempo Go, and like I said, it looks like the Tempo X that I recently unboxed here on my channel. So this phone is low spec, and it's not a bad little backup phone or whatever. The back of the phone looks very nice. It's your basic generic smartphone or whatever, nothing to really get excited about. The only good thing about this one, that has Android Oreo on there, so that's really good. And it has the Go version, so it has lightweight apps on there. Between this phone and the Tempo X, this one runs Oreo and the Tempo X runs 7.1 Nougat, so pretty much the same specs on both phones. So if you guys want to get a feel of how the phone works, check out my unboxing of the Tempo X with Boost. It's basically the same thing, except for this one runs Oreo and the Bismol version runs Nougat. Alright, so keep that in mind. I don't know if this is going to a US carrier now, or will it be sold, unlocked, or whatever. I'm not sure about that. So stay tuned for my channel for that. The back of the phone looks very nice, guys. It looks very nice on the back. It feels nice in the hand and all that. So yeah. So the ZTE Tempo Go is the first Android Go edition phone to be launched in the United States. It's supposed to be relaunched sometime in March for $80, so don't expect a whole lot from this phone. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.